Hi guys, this is the Tello Edu drone. So once you have unboxed it, you need to slot in the battery here. Then to turn on the drone, you need to press on this notch here. Alright, once you have turned on the drone, you need to turn on the Wi-Fi of your handphone. And you'll be able to see a Wi-Fi by the name of Tello something. So you connect to the Wi-Fi. Then you need to download the app called DroneBlocks. So I already downloaded. And make sure you connect to Tello. And you'll be able to see this camera. So this is the camera footage from the drone. So once you see this, that means the handphone DroneBlocks app has been connected to the drone. So you put it aside. So this is a program that I've pre-written. So first thing, what the drone does is to take off, then it yaw left 90 degrees. Yaw means rotate. So it would rotate left towards the left 90 degrees. Then after that, fly forward. Then turns right 90 degrees, then fly forward 30 cm. Turn right again 90 degrees, then fly forward 30 cm. Turn left 90 degrees, then after that you will fly backward 30 cm and land. So basically what this series of code does is for the drone to take off from its base. Then after that it would fly in a rectangular manner and go back and land on its original base. In order to launch this mission, you need to go to the untitled mission and then tap on launch mission, and the code will execute. When you program the drone to fly left, fly right, or yaw left, yaw right, what it does is it will turn to its right or left, or turn to its right or left. So this is the camera. So for example, if you program the drone to yaw right, it would yaw right 90 degrees, it will turn to its right 90 degrees. Alright, so if you program the drone to fly forward 30 cm, it will fly forward 30 cm like this.